Did you know someone can fall in love with you through the books you read? Grace was a librarian who noticed something strange. Every Friday, someone checked out the exact same books from her old college reading list: obscure poetry, philosophy texts, travel books she had never recommended to anyone. The mystery reader always borrowed them right after her shift ended. They returned them right before she came back to work. For months, Grace tried to catch this person. She stayed late, she came in early, but they were always one step ahead. The books came back with thoughtful notes in the margins, bookmarks made from coffee shop receipts, once a pressed flower from a chapter about Tuscany. Finally, Grace left a note in a Virginia Woolf book asking, "Who are you?" The next week, she found her answer. "The guy who's been trying to work up courage to ask you about books for 2 years. Coffee tomorrow?" It was David from IT. He had been watching her reading choices through the library system, building courage one borrowed book at a time. Sometimes love finds you through the stories you love most.